guys, this is my first one that I made last time. So ginawa namin siyang chair mat. Yun. Yung first, dito tayo sa second guys. Ito yung second na gawa ko. And this is our number 3. So instead of doormat guys, yung ginawa ko, ito yung chair mat. So ito yung bagong chair mat natin guys. Boom, 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 boom. It seems like that's our, yes, chair mat. At ito yung number 3. At ito yung number 2. And this is the number 1. So, napik na pilo. So it seems like I call it nest. This one and that one. So thank you for watching. Bye.